hillsides, vineyards, and neighborhoods, all igniting
48,000 new cases reported yesterday. That is the highest single-day total.
Things are happening.
The world is a scary place, full of violence, argument, anger. It seems like we can never escape from the ongoing reality of our frightening world. Or more accurately, news is a scary place. Because let's face it, the simple truth is that news today is upsetting, unfulfilling, and downright depressing. And science shows that when we're confronted with negativity every day, it leads us to more negative lives. Now, imagine a news source that erases all of that and provides you only with what you want to hear. Good news. Introducing the Good News Network, a network that provides commentary and articles to lift your spirit and start each day on an optimistic note. It's well known that positivity and hope can have a huge impact on your daily life. After all, it's your attitude that matters. So why distract yourself from accomplishing goals and reaching dreams with bad news plaguing your television? Instead, you can choose happiness and a beautiful outlook that sets you up for a joyful future. We get it. Constantly worrying about the next disaster or political upheaval is unhealthy and unsustainable. That's why we're here, to provide you with daily, uplifting news that sets you up for an optimistic future, not one bogged down by fear and distress. You can receive news relevant to your daily life in real time. Receive uplifting messages and heartwarming stories of our society, the information that you need to get your day going at the speed of life. Believe in better. Believe in society and restore your faith in humanity. Because there's no use in hating people you've never met, and no reason to constantly remind yourself of terrible things. Statistically, happy, heartwarming events happen far more often than the negative ones. So why don't we hear about the good parts of our lives? Because today's news blocks the good things out. But it doesn't have to be that way. Instead, engage in the uncompromising integrity of our news network, the Good News Network, where we're fully committed to providing you with our best news all day at all times. There are no hidden agendas, no corporate corruption, just the news you want to hear at the start of each day. If you remember only one thing, it's that we are the next generation and we have control over the future before us. Let's make sure it's a positive one. You decide what news you receive and you have control over how your news affects your life. So make sure you choose positively, because you deserve the news that keeps you optimistic and hopeful about each new start. So let's get to work, building a better future, expanding our horizons, and making sure that the next generation is one not of hate, but of positivity and satisfaction.